What if I told you that everything you think you know about gold prices is wrong? That there's a hidden truth the financial industry doesn't want you to discover? Stay with me for the next 8 minutes, because what I'm about to reveal could change how you see gold forever. Before we dive into these shocking revelations, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And if this video blows your mind, give it a thumbs up. Truth number 1. Gold prices aren't just about supply and demand like they teach you in economics class. Here's what's really happening behind the scenes. Central banks around the world hold over 35,000 tons of gold. That's nearly 20% of all gold ever mined. When these institutions decide to buy or sell, they can move markets instantly. But here's the kicker. They don't always announce their moves. The London Bullion Market Association processes over $30 billion in gold transactions daily. But here's the shocking part. Most of these transactions are paper contracts, not physical gold. For every ounce of actual gold, there are estimated to be 250 paper claims on that same ounce. Truth number 2. Gold has an inverse relationship with the US dollar that most people completely misunderstand. When the dollar weakens, gold typically rises. But it's not just about exchange rates, it's about trust. Gold becomes the safe haven when people lose confidence in paper currencies. But here's what they don't tell you. Gold doesn't actually keep up with inflation as well as people think. From 1980 to 2000, gold lost about 80% of its purchasing power when adjusted for inflation. The real truth? Gold is insurance against financial catastrophe, not a guaranteed inflation hedge. Truth number 3. The gold futures market is where the real price manipulation happens, and it's completely legal. The COMEX futures market in New York handles over 25 million ounces of gold contracts daily. But here's the mind-blowing part. They only have about 300,000 ounces of deliverable gold in their vaults. That's less than 2% of their daily trading volume. High-frequency trading algorithms can execute thousands of gold trades per second, creating artificial price movements that have nothing to do with actual gold supply or demand. These microsecond trades can trigger massive price swings that affect your investments. Truth number 4. Mining companies are playing a game that affects gold prices in ways you never imagine. Many gold mining companies sell their gold production years in advance through hedging contracts. This means they're essentially betting against their own product. When gold prices rise, they can't benefit because they've already locked in lower prices. The true cost of gold mining includes environmental cleanup that can cost billions. These hidden costs aren't reflected in current gold prices, but they will be eventually. And when they are, gold prices will have to adjust dramatically upward. Truth number 5. Gold prices are a weapon in global economic warfare. Countries like Russia and China have been quietly accumulating massive gold reserves while publicly downplaying gold's importance. Russia increased its gold reserves by 274% between 2007 and 2019. Why? Because gold gives them leverage against US dollar dominance. Every time there's a trade dispute or geopolitical tension, gold becomes a tool for economic independence. The countries accumulating gold are preparing for a future where the US dollar isn't the world's reserve currency. So there you have it, 5 hidden truths about gold prices that change everything. The market isn't what it seems, the players aren't who you think they are, and the game is far more complex than anyone admits. If this opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into financial truths. Drop a comment below. Which of these truths shocked you the most? And if you want to learn more about protecting your wealth in uncertain times, check out our video on alternative investments that banks don't want you to know about. Give this video a thumbs up if it changed how you think about gold, and share it with someone who needs to see this truth. Until next time, stay informed, stay questioning, and remember, the truth is always more interesting than the story they're selling.